So today I'm going to be showing you my little squishy vending machine, and I recently got into squishies, but I have 0. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to say that again just in case. So I have made this little vending machine out of duct tape, puffy paint, a Ziploc bag, and some cardboard. A lot of cardboard, as you can see. Anywho, so first of all, you need a quarter. Put it in the little slot. Goes into a basket, which is in here. Then you pick out your prize, which I have nothing in here because I have no squishies, but I do have homemade squishies, which are horrible, but hey, trying. I hate this one though. I have a whole bunch, but yeah, it is pretty squishy, but it isn't very soft, and I don't necessarily like it. So let's say this is my prize. So I've already put the quarter in, and then I go to grab my prize, and this is my prize. And over here it says squish. Squish your prize. Squish prize. Squish prize. And then this went down, and it's a little cute. It's got green in it, which I really like about it. The S, the Q, the W, with the big jewel. The I is hard to see with this camera, but it's an I right there. And then S, and then H, which spells squish. And then it's got these lines, and the top of it is probably the best, one of the best parts besides the front. It's got this little heart. It's got these little lights. And then the back's got nothing except for that green piece. Like, look at this. I haven't gotten to decorating the back at all. And I may decorate the bottom. Who knows? But, anywho, that's all for now. So, I forgot what I was supposed to say. I'm using you as a stand. Well, please comment, rate, and subscribe, because I really need it. Really. I'm not kidding. Anyways, goodbye. I'm gonna take a couple pictures. Okay. Bye-bye, people.